Hi friends, I'm Saitnya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the read and write speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. It is a Poco X3 smartphone and it is a OnePlus Nord device. As you can see, friends, I'm using this three different smartphones in this video, and let's test which phone has a better read and write speed. And one thing is that all the three smartphones, they're having the same UFS 2.1 storage speed rate as well. So which should be pretty easy to test between all of this kind of same UFS 2.1. So let's see, friends, will it be there any difference between the all the three smartphones or not? So it is an application which I'll be using in this video for the review purpose, as you can see. So this application which is available. So if you want, you can test this same application even in your smartphone as well, as you can see. So let's get started with this kind of comparison, friends. And in case if you're interested in knowing this kind of punch hole wallpapers and dual punch hole wallpapers and even this live wallpaper, so try to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. You can find so many videos related to that. So let me try to open the application right now quickly. And is application from the OnePlus Nord as well, as you can see, friends. So it is a Samsung Galaxy M51, Poco X3 and the OnePlus Nord device. So this can be confusion between both of the smartphones, but the Poco X3 has a blue color design, so you can clearly differentiate. So let me try to start the test at same time. I'll try to start at same time. Let's see whether I can do it or not. I think I missed the Poco X3, but let's see, friends. This is not about the speed, which will be finishing first, but it is about the actual speed number which can be shown higher. So let's see. So here are the results between the Poco X3. Here is a Poco X3 versus a Samsung Galaxy M51 device. As you can see, the results when you compare side by side. So here is the Poco X3. So you can see the Poco X3 has a slightly higher sequential read speed. So 300 versus 401 speed, and 18 Mbps versus 19 Mbps. As you can see, friends, these are the quick results here if you compare side by side. And it is a OnePlus Nord results. So let me try to compare. The OnePlus Nord has one high speed in the sequential read speeds, as you can see, 755. So that is where the value is much higher in the OnePlus Nord device. But rest of the values are kind of close to each other. So now let me try to open the other applications. By using that also we can try to test the read and write storage speed test. So it is another application which I'll be using, which is called the Android benchmark testing application as well. So let me start the benchmark test at same time. So let me try, friends. I think I'll try to click at same time. Let me see whether I can do that or not. I think again I'll be missing the Poco X3's benchmark test. So let's see which phone can actually score higher results as well. So the OnePlus Nord finished the test faster. So let's see which phone will finish faster. I think the Poco X3, I did click the little bit kind of slow as well. That is can be other reason why the Poco X3 is kind of slow. So let me try to show you the results right now. So here you can quickly compare the results, friends, side by side. The read speed is higher in the OnePlus Nord device. You can see here it's about 945, and whereas in the Poco X3 it's 505, and Samsung Galaxy M51 it's 500 Mbps, and write speeds 190, 159 and 480, and the random read 123, 122 and 121, kind of same in all the three smartphones, and random write 105, 80 and 106, as you can see. So these are overall results if you compare side by side. So one thing is that the OnePlus Nord has a little bit slightly higher read and write sequential speeds when you compare with the other smartphones like Poco X3 and even the Samsung Galaxy M51 as well. As you can see, if you compare them, you can clearly see the difference, how much it is. But overall, this is a quick review between all of the three smartphones, friends. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly for more regular updates. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.